we have addition of polynomials. In this example, we have binomials because first polynomial has two terms and the second two terms. So we have to add two binomials. Let me copy our example. We have 5y cubed minus y squared plus we have y cubed minus 3y. This is equal. First, we have to take down the parentheses. Before parentheses, we have positive sign, and when we don't have sign, it's always positive. So we have to just take down the parentheses and the sign stayed the same. So we have 5y cubed minus y squared plus y cubed minus 3y. Next, we have to combine the like terms. So the same variable with the same power. So we have 5y cubed and here is invisible 1y cubed. When we don't have coefficient, it's always 1. So y cubed with y cubed. Next, we have y squared and we have only y. So these terms are different. We cannot combine them. So this is equal. The like terms only we have with y cube. So what we have to do, we always start from the term with the highest power. So y cube is the highest. Next is y squared, and y, when we don't have power, is indivisible 1. So y cube, the highest power, we copy variable with the power, and next we have to just add the coefficients before the y cube. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And the rest we have to just rewrite, and we start from the highest power. So this is negative y squared and we have negative 3y. This is my solution.